Hi guys, good morning. So I'm going to church. Oh my god, I'm back in the sun. I'm supposed to face the sun. Let me just do a quick intro. Yeah, so I'm going to church on this lovely Sunday morning. Yeah, today is going to be a fun day because my youth group will be going bowling. Oh yeah, so we'll be going to play ball after church. Yeah, and I'm so excited. Guys, tell me in the comment section, is every day a fun day for you? Today is going to be a fun day. Like some days are just so boring that I feel like sleeping from morning to night. But today is going to be fun. And look at the sun. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Let me know if every day is a fun day for you. For me, some days are boring, and today I feel is a fun day. So see you guys. Let's go. We're going to church now.
はい、で、9セント。はい。
はい、ありがとうございます。
あと420万の給付してます。
はい、ありがとうございます。Really?
Boy, ibig sabihin yun eh.
Happy birthday ni ano. Happy birthday sa inyo.
Flavio Baccaris tayo. Tatasi ne. Curry, kabe nahi kara. We didn't eat curry. So Flavio, we feel sad because we didn't eat curry. I don't like curry. I really don't like. Yesterday, ne? Exactly not that's my time. That's my favorite something. Wala mo coffee. Gusto niyo yung princess ka, right? No.
I'm still struggling with chopsticks. Let me see. Okay, only one.
Yeah. Only one. Okay. That's it.
So how am I going to grab?
Look at me. Push it, then kill.
Oh wow.
Toast for today. Okay?
Yes.
Pararam. We have time.エリンちゃんお願いします。まだお金まだ。早いな。プレゼントあります。何ですかわからない。わかるからね。Let's win, please.
Yay!
Many things today. Today is busy.
次は池袋、オレンジは左側です。湘南新宿ライン、埼京線、東武東上線、西武池袋線、地下鉄丸ノ内線、地下鉄有楽町線、地下鉄副都心線はお乗り換えです。The next station is 池袋 JY13. The doors open. Please change your for the Shonan Shinjuku line, the Saikyo line, the
7番線ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。次の電車をご利用ください。
Ate Amira, yes? Alam mo yung sa Don Quixote? Higashi Gushi.
No, for YouTube and TikTok. Hello, my new friend. This bird is scenting so nice. Hello, my new friend. Can't see you.
我々国民においしい
Okay. We're currently walking down to the bowling center. Yeah. So we just arrived. Look at it over there. Yeah. That's the place. Yeah. Let's go. You know that time we were distributing flyers. We just arrived here. Let's go bowling. Yay!
ご協力をお願い申し上げます。なお、場内では必ずマスクの着用をお願いいたします。場内では必ずマスクの着用をお願いいたします。本日も会話のご利用いただきまして、誠にありがとうございます。
Let's finished the bowling now. I know I'm shouting so you guys can hear me. We just finished the bowling now. Apparently I don't know how to play bowling. I'm a bad player, but then it's fun. I love it. Yeah, and it's looking like we want to play another game. So I'm having fun today. Yay! My team took second. Yeah, became second. Initially I was just scoring 0-0-0-0 for my team, but finally I started winning. Did I say winning? Saika, will you leave?